In this video we're kind of up above and we can basically look over the street traffic, but it's kind of cool space, so we're just going to film in the space a little bit. There's all these tall buildings too, so it's like they're all kind of clustered together, and and the street is, it seems like the traffic kind of stops in the space for sometimes quite a while. And we're just going to walk around and just kind of take a look at everything. There's some more space over here. So this is the walkway where people can come up. And there's kind of a wall of buildings right here too, right? So let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So it's kind of interesting too. Then down here there's kind of foot traffic, so you can see you can walk here, take up the escalator, and you're kind of like this wall of apartments, and there's shops down here too, so you can just basically, it's like just apartments, walkway that we can all share, another walkway, and then more. Down here is a park where sometimes I'll see them play mahjong. A lot of the older generation would play, but you can still see like all the massive apartments everywhere, right? And they go all the way up like that. So the density is pretty amazing, so you can definitely see why they say Macau is one of the densest cities on earth, right? So it definitely feels that way. There's a little shrine right there. I don't know if you can see that little shrine. And we're gonna walk into this space. So yeah, this one kind of comes down that way. So yeah, pretty amazing. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can get over there. Then we're gonna try to do some filming with the mahjong players and see if we can find any and film them if we do. Huh. There's Victoria Hotel. I think I've seen that before. And actually you can kind of see this walkway, kind of see all of it now. There's this pedestrian street, park, hotel, apartments, walkways. So yep, we kind of got all of it. Okay, let's just see how we can go down. I guess we'll go down this way. Let's just end it right there. So we were just up at that intersection, and this is the Victoria Hotel. Then in this area they're playing all the mahjong. So pretty cool. So yeah, so this whole area they're playing mahjong, and there's kind of a cool looking park. So yeah, so basically we started right there and we're just kind of coming through. A few people playing mahjong. So it looks like they're, is that mahjong too? I think so. So we'll leave it right there, and that's the big Victoria Hotel and mahjong players, and then we have that little space in there, this one. So I guess that's a good conclusion spot right there. We'll just come to the corner and end it right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.